Hello, hi students. Good morning, everybody. I hope that you will be quite well and studied. Our topic is compound interest. Today, my topic is compound interest. For this, in this topic, I learn about principal money, total amount, interest, compound interest. For this topic, first I tell you what is interest. What is interest? First, interest. What is interest? It is the additional money. It is the additional money besides the original money paid by borrower to the money lender or bank, financial agency, etc. Your definition is here. Definitions of interest. It is the additional money besides the original money paid by the borrower to the money lender or bank or financial agency, etc. In these terms in interest here important terms in interest: first principal, second amount, and third rate. Principal, the money borrowed or the money lent. The money borrowed or money lent is called as principal money. Okay. First, here amount. Second, sum of principal and interest is called as amount. Sum of principal and interest is called as amount. You have amount, is equal principal plus interest. My next rate. It is the interest paid on ₹100 for a specified period. Rate. What is rate? It is the interest paid on 100 rupees for a specified period. Next, time in calculations of interest. Time, it is a time for when the money is borrowed. It is the time for when money is borrowed. Here, time. It is a time for when the money is borrowed. And my next topics in this, simple interest. What is simple interest? Here, simple interest. It is the interest calculated on original principal for any given time and rate. Definitions of simple interest. It is the interest calculated on original principal for any given time and rate. Formula of simple interest. You have simple interest denoted by SI is equal P into R into T upon 100, where SI means simple interest. P means principal money. R means rate. And T means given time. You use this formula for simple interest. After this formula, you can find, for example, you have a question. Here, example, find the simple interest of principal money rupees 1000 for 2 years at the rate of 10%. Here you have P is equal rupees 1000, rate 10%, time 2 years. You have formula simple interest SI is equal P R T upon 100 is equal 1000 into 10 into 2 upon 100. You have 200 rupees. It is your answer. Simple interest rupees 200. Okay. According to this, you find here my next topic, compound interest. For compound interest, when at the end of first year or any fixed period, if the interest accrued is not paid to the money lender, but is added to the principal, this amount becomes the principal for the next year. Or any other fixed period, and so on. This process is repeated until the amount for the when time is found. Here, this process is repeated until the amount for the whole time is found. If the interest is compounded annually, the principal change after every year, and if interest is compounded half yearly or any other fixed period time, the principal changes after every 6 months or any fixed period. Here you how find the compound interest. In this process, finding the additional money for original money is called as compound interest. For example, here questions: find the compound interest and total amount on rupees 2000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. Here for first year you have principal money rupees 2000, rate 10%, time 1. You have interest is equal PRT upon 100 is equal 2000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. You have 200 rupees. For second year you have principal is equal interest, this is denoted by I1. You have $2,000 plus 200 is equal $2,200. Rate and time is same, so here for second year I2 is equal into 10 into 1 upon 100. You have rupees 220. Compound interest for 2 years is equal I1 plus I2. 200 plus 220 is equal rupees 420. Okay. Here total amount paid by total amount you have. Your compound interest is 420. Here you have principal money 2000 plus 420 is equal your answer. Amount is equal rupee and compound interest 420. Okay, according to this you can solve your exercise. After solving this without formula of compound interest, in my next topic I explain you compound interest according to formula. Okay, thanks.